Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on how to withdraw from your account in the Taurex broker using the TRC20 Tether method. As you saw, we funded our account using this method and now we intend to withdraw this balance. When you want to withdraw from your account for the first time, you need to introduce and confirm your withdrawal method to the broker. To do this, we click on the My Wallet option. And given our withdrawal method, which is Tether, TRC20, we need to add our wallet in the Your Crypto Wallet section and then click on the Add Crypto Wallet option. On the next page, you need to fill in the required information in this section in the first part of the letter. The owner of this piled wallet is written, and in the type field we select the personal option. You enter your wallet address, which is the TRC20 address in this field, and in the currency field you can select a USDT, and in the network field we select the Tron network. If this wallet belongs to you, you can check the option to use account information so that the details you previously entered during registration are filled in this section. After completing this form, you enter your account password in this section and click on the Submit Crypto Wallet option, and you need to wait until your withdrawal method changes from panning to fixed. To speed up this process, you can contact the support department and inform them of your intention to withdraw, and as you can see, after a few minutes, the mode will change. Our wallet status has changed to valid. Now you can go to the Withdraw Wallet section. And in this part, you need to enter the amount you wish to withdraw and click on the Submit Request option. Then you need to click on this section. On the next page, in the first section, you need to select your wallet address, and in the next section, you will select this option. After that, you need to click on the video option. Well, your withdrawal request has been successfully registered, and you have to wait to deposit this amount into your wallet. You can enter the transaction history section to view the details of the transaction yourself. And after entering the date and clicking on Submit, you can see the complete status of your request. And as you can see, after a few hours, our withdrawal operation was successfully completed. Stay tuned for more tutorials with us. Goodbye.